welcome to Baby Rhyme Time. Today our rhyme time will be about insects and bugs. But first, let's do the acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby ground. Now let's do our hello tickle, starting with our toes. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, and a great big hug to say hello. Now I'm going to need a little friend for our next rhyme. Here we've got our little bee friend and a beehive. Here is the beehive. Where are all the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz. What other bugs might we find in the garden? We might find some ladybugs. Five little ladybugs climbing up a door. One flew away and then there were 4. 4 little ladybugs sitting in a tree. One flew away and then they were 3. 3 little ladybugs landed on a shoe. One flew away and then there were 2. 2 little ladybugs looking for some fun. One flew away and then there was 1. 1 little ladybug sitting in the sun. She flew away and then there were none. Here's another insect you might find in your garden, a spider, incy wincy spider. Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. And I've got a friend to join me for the next little rhyme as well. I've got a giant caterpillar. The fuzzy little caterpillar went up into a tree, spun his cocoon, and then went to sleep. While he was sleeping, he dreamt that he could fly. When he woke up, he was a butterfly. Wow! That was some of the lovely bugs and beetles that you might find in your garden. Let's finish up our rhyme time with the tickle song. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, and a great big hug to say goodbye. Goodbye everybody, and thanks for joining me for Rhyme Time.